Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you keep seeing the press and hold to verify your human message again and again, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a modern security system designed to detect real human behavior and block bots, but sometimes it can mistakenly flag normal users too. It analyzes things like your mouse movement, touch pressure, browsing pattern, and even your network activity. That's why it may keep appearing even when you're doing everything right. The good news is, you can fix this issue easily by adjusting a few settings on your browser, device, and network. So, in the next few moments, I'll show you the simplest way to stop this problem and browse normally again. Try these. Step 1. Clear your browser cache, cookies, and browsing data completely. Step 2. Disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools temporarily. Step 3. Turn off VPN or proxy and switch to a stable network connection. Step 4. Update your browser or try a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. Step 5. Restart your device to reset background processes and network settings,